How we doing, guys? Welcome to Trade Confident. Do not miss this video, guys. I'm going to show you some metrics over here. We have long trades increasing on Bitcoin faster than I've ever seen, and this has been happening over the last 2 weeks, and I believe this is because of institutions buying the dip. We're going to go over that. We're going to go over the market cap strength of Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you guys and teach you why this is actually bullish right now. Trades in favor. We're also going to go over well and institutional smart money and show you guys how to get into a trade setup here. So very good video. You guys don't want to miss. Let's start with this, guys. I want to take a look at the indicators over here. Before we do that, let me tell you guys about this very fast and we'll move on with this video. We are currently sitting at 109 wins and 0 losses. We have never lost a trade on this channel. Our membership for you guys to join us is going up in price in 3 hours. Literally, this video is coming out around 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The price is going up at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Friday, February 25th, which is today. So make sure you guys are coming over here and snagging this membership for $49 a month. This will be going up in just a couple hours here, maybe minutes from when you guys are watching this. Access to the Telegram channel where I'm calling all of my exits, as well as telling you guys when I'm getting into my coins. All the masterclass videos are your guys's, and then we're also going to do a live Zoom coaching call every month, which we already have planned for March 10th, 3 to 4 p.m. All right, guys, let's dive into today's analysis, but I wanted to let you guys know about that so you don't feel like you've missed out at all. That is in the description. You guys can see it there as well as the indicators. All right. What I want you to pay attention to today, guys, is a very specific level where I think we can bounce up to very nicely here, and then we're probably going to drop, and we'll look at a bunch of other things like the metrics here. What I'm seeing happening right now is that we're starting to see the RSI, stochastic, MACD, and also right now the 50 moving average turn bullish. If we can get the 100 and the 200 moving average to turn bullish, this is going to be very, very exciting for people who are on Bitcoin, because this is going to allow retail traders to trade with the trend. And when the momentum is moving up, a lot of retail traders like to push money into the market. Money is most likely going to start flowing out of USDC. Let's take a look at this real quick. CoinMarketCap.com. USDC is up here at number 5. Tether is up here at number 3. Once cryptocurrency starts taking off, you're going to see USDT and USDC fly out of the top 5, even possibly out of the top 10. The reason why they're so high right now is people are still scared and they're nervous. We've got Russia invading Ukraine. We've got a lot of things going on. People are holding in stable coins right now. But I think this is going to start shifting over, and I'll show you guys proof of why I believe this. Taking a look at the price versus the well money flow here, as well as trend exhaustion, we are pushing up to this higher level up here. When we pushed up to this level before, we did see an overextension in Bitcoin, and it actually did start pushing us down very fast. So in the short term, guys, I would not doubt if we do actually start seeing a little bit of a move back down here. But that move down, do you see what type of bullish pattern that actually creates for us? It is a reverse head and shoulders pattern, which without arguing, guys, this is a bullish sign. Absolutely. So some of you guys are like, I just want it to go up. I'm like, if it goes down, that may actually be better because of this reverse head and shoulders pattern right here that could skyrocket us up pretty easily to structure high of about 46,000. But let me show you guys this. Pay attention to this, and then I'll go over to the metrics here. Look at this here. We have an ascending resistance and a descending resistance. X marks the spot. Where is this level that you guys need to be watching? It is right at 42,500. This is the spot, I believe, and we don't take short trades on this channel, but I believe that's the best spot to take out a short trade, because that will most likely push back down. Trend exhaustion at that area will most likely come back down for a little bit of a low high, higher low formation, then back up. We'll see this at the top. Well money flow will most likely do something like this, and then we'll see actually a fast drop after that based off the indicators and structure resistance. So 42,500. Watch to actually get out of some trades here. If you guys are long, watch that area to get out. And for those of you guys who are shorting, make sure you guys take a look at those. These indicators, guys, are calling drops in the market so well. So make sure you guys do snag these. Last time we got up here into this top section, that's when we saw that move back down, and it's been pretty accurate. So what we're seeing over here really quick, let me just dive into this real fast, guys, and then I'll move on, I promise. Price structure moving down, well money flow moving up, guys. This was what's called divergence. Once you can spot this with the indicators, this is how we were predicting nice moves back up, and that's what we were able to predict a few days ago on the Bitcoin videos, if you guys saw that. All right, I want to dive into the charts now. This is some serious stuff over here. The emotional index is pushed down into the anxious section here. When the market gets anxious, retail traders sell. They sell, guys, seriously. But what are Wells and institutions doing? They're buying this up like crazy. Let me prove this to you a little bit more. Come down here. Look at the increase over here of long trades on the blockchain for Bitfinex. This is insane. Guys, this clearly shows you as a market is going down, if long trades are increasing during the same duration, do you see how price structure is going down? Long trades are increasing. This means Wells, institutions, retail traders, they are buying the dip. Some people group, crypto Wells, they know something we don't. Here's a reason why I believe this is a very strong metric we need to watch. Because if they thought Bitcoin was going to go down, long trades would have stayed stagnant. It would have stayed the same because they still want to buy at a lower price. I don't think long trades would drop out because it's such a low price right now. But because long trades are increasing, this is a very, very, very bullish sign. On top of that, let me show you this. Short trades have actually moved out here as well on this pump back up. So that gives way to giving long trades even more momentum in the market, which means for those of you guys who have money in Bitcoin, you may be seeing an increase in your value over the next few days, even moving into the weekend. Okay, we're currently sitting at a break-even entry of 46,088. So once we get back up here, we'll be calling an exit. Let's look at these other metrics here. Market cap strength. Look at what's happened here. Price structure has headed down and market cap has gone up. This is bullish as well. Why and how does the market cap go up of a coin? The reason why it goes up is because people have interest in that coin. Why does it go up? Because people are taking their money out of other altcoins and they're putting it in that coin. You have to understand that this metric here is showing you the market cap of Bitcoin relative to the entire market. So when this is over here, and if you draw a line straight left over here, I know this is not the best line. If we look at this, this is right at about 43%. 43% of all of the market cap of all of crypto is in Bitcoin. And it's only increasing on the drop down. This is very bullish, guys. This is institutions. This is Wells throwing money into Bitcoin. Why? Because I think they're buying the demand of a lower price because they see something coming. Go, guys, do you see this? Like, this may be the best times to ever buy crypto. Okay, trades in favor. We started pushing down here. We didn't necessarily get to the good long trade. We got close, but we're still sitting neutral. Right now, in my opinion, is the best times to be setting trades up. Because if it goes up, you definitely want money in the market. If it goes down, you'll have good risk management with our buy limits. Take a look at Well Institutional Smart Money. These guys have been doing one thing this entire time. A lot of retail traders have been selling. They've been panicking because they don't know how low it's going to go. You know, Russia invades Ukraine on Wednesday night. It's just ridiculous, guys. The whole thing is just got a lot of people nervous, all right? But let me point something out. While retail traders are nervous, this is when Wells and institutions are buying up the fear and the anxiety of retail traders. There's a reason why you guys trade and you feel like someone is taking the opposite trade on the other side and you're always losing. Let me help you guys possibly never lose a trade ever again. We've never lost a trade. And it's going to be very hard to lose a trade because we know how to win them now. So we've never had a member sign up with us who's ever lost a trade. Shameless plug, guys. Get your membership before it goes up in about 3 hours here. Probably less when you're watching this video. Okay, support and resistance prices here. Next resistance for Bitcoin is 41,600. Let's take a look at this. 41,600 pushes us right about this level right here. This has been a structure support. Now it's going to be resistance. Very close to our level that we talked about that we need to be watching for. Do you remember? It was 42,500 that you need to be watching for. Okay, three more metrics here, and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade or to make some money. This is great, guys. We are showing that we have green bars coming out here saying if you want to buy the dip as diamond hand holders and hold for 5, 10, 20 years, great time to buy because I think this might be one of the lowest levels we'll see. Double bottom formation could be shooting us back up. I know this is aggressive. I'm going to show it to you guys anyways. Double bottom formations can actually push back to structure highs on the chart, which could put us back up above $70,000. Those of you guys who have money in the markets with us, we are going to do ridiculously well. We will make tens of thousands of dollars on our account if we push back up here, like tens of thousands. It's going to be very, very nice if you want to trade with us during those times. Okay, exit points here. Next time the market goes up, we're going to be looking for a red bar to come out, and then we're going to be watching for that drop. Death cross is still currently active. The 50 moving average is below the 200-day moving average, so we are currently in a death cross. When the 50 is actually above the 200, this is what you call technically is a golden cross. So we're going to be watching that to happen as we start seeing Bitcoin come back up. Guys, a break of structure high here of 46,088 would be very bullish. It would technically create a low, a high, a higher low, and a higher high formation. I know this got very close down here, but that would be an official uptrend pattern if we can break, I would say, $47,000. All right, guys, we're ending this video. Let me show you guys how to get into a trade. You guys are like, man, you've won 109 trades in a row. I want to win. I don't doubt. Let me show you how we're doing this. You guys choose whatever amount you want to enter each of our coins with. We have 12 different coins on the website that we track. You guys choose whatever you want. Take $1,000 for an example and split it into 4 equal portions. You choose the amount. Then place this $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit. First buy limit gets hit, set up a sell limit. This is so simple, guys. This is very, very easy. What you want to do after that is follow me in the Telegram channel where I'm going to be calling exits with our indicators and giving you guys market updates of exactly when we exit and exactly when I take all of my trades. This isn't like a you go trade off on your own. You can literally copy every single trade that I've ever taken, and I've never lost a trade, and no members have lost trades either. That's what we're giving you guys the opportunity to do. So even if you guys are like, you know what, this is awesome, I want to take it like 25% of my portfolio, you guys get a membership and you trade with us. Awesome. I can quote unquote guarantee you guys that will probably be the most healthy portion of your entire account, and you guys will see that consistently grow because we know how to win trades over here. I specifically structure our risk management so it is extremely hard to lose trades. We have one of the healthiest accounts, if not the healthiest account in this whole bear market cycle we can find on YouTube. You guys can understand this if you look at the risk management here. All right. Telegram channel. Make sure you guys are signed up with the membership and then click the Telegram channel there. You guys will get access to that. Indicators, real quick, guys, and then we'll finish this video up. Here's a Telegram access for you guys to access that. The indicators are 82% off right now. Make sure you guys snag this in the description as well with your membership tonight. You guys can set this up over the weekend. Here are the ones you guys want to set up. Trend exhaustion, trend dashboard, price for swell, money flow. If you guys want to get these individually, be my guest. Use coupon code SAVE MONEY at checkout. But if you guys want to save the most money possible, I would definitely be getting the bundle pack because that's going to give you actually an extra 42% off, and you're going to get all of our indicators. Basically the same price you pay for these 3, you'll pay for the bundle pack, and you'll get 6 indicators on top of that for a total of 9. So definitely something you guys want to take advantage of today. You get this for life. Sorry, my phone's going off. You get this for life. It is not a monthly subscription. And on top of that, you guys actually get the source codes to all of our indicators. We will be using these to call exits. You need to be aware of this because if you're joining us, guys, or you're using them yourself, we will be using these for the analysis of when we exit trade. So you guys can actually learn how to do this and trade on coins that we actually don't. We only trade 12. There's obviously more than 12 coins out there. So once you guys understand how to use these and watch the videos, feel free to take them into your other training. Also, if I can just say one more thing about this, I'm coming out with a scalping masterclass of how to scalp the markets, and you guys are going to love that video. I got so excited after I recorded. I'm like, oh my gosh, this will hands down be the best masterclass we've ever recorded. So masterclass access real quick so you guys can see this. Once you have your membership, go to masterclass trainings, and you guys can scroll down here. These are all the masterclasses I've done. How to master your emotions and thought patterns to win more trades. Watch that, guys. How to spot huge moves before they happen. Definitely watch that. How to use TradingView tools. And one I just actually, we just released this today. This was before diversification, how I grew my account and lowered my risk. And this is how to exit trades in the profit while how to exit trades to secure profits while not missing out on huge bull runs. Really interesting principle that we've used to help us win some really massive trades, like 82% on Cardano, 32% on Bitcoin, 51% on Mana. Guys, this has been ridiculous what we've been able to accomplish over here. So I'll leave you guys with this. Make sure you guys get the membership in the description. You guys probably have a few minutes left when you're watching this, maybe a couple hours, but make sure you guys snag this. You will not have the price go up on you when we up this tonight at 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, okay? Next month, you will stay at $49. It's only people who sign up after this that will need to pay the higher amount. Even the higher amount, guys, is so much cheaper than what it should be. So come in here, snag this, and I'll keep you guys successful in the markets. I'll do my best to do that. We've kind of proven it over here. So I think you guys will enjoy this. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Have an amazing, amazing weekend. $42,500 is where I think we're going to head. If we go down, this is going to get extremely bullish. So, a $50,000 move by next week is not unrealistic. I'm not going to call out 60 or 70. That's not possible. But $50,000 by next week is a possibility here. Russia also considering, getting into crypto. Have you guys heard those rumors? I have. So that could also aid to kind of a bullish move up here in Bitcoin. So, all right, guys, have an amazing weekend. Everything you guys need, click the links in the description for your membership. Snag that right now. Get the bundle pack, get set up. I'll come out with videos on Monday. We're going to keep going through this, guys, and we're just going to keep making trades. The goal is to hit 200 for 200 wins this year. We did 100 wins basically in a row from March to December. So I think we can easily get 200 for 200 wins in 2022. So I'll end this video because I know it's long, but I'll see you guys later. Everything you need is in the description. Bye, guys.